Good guys, I'll be analyzing this odd CHF chart. So the picture will be on the group, but let me quickly take you through everything. This is how, let me delete this stuff. So this is chart, as you can see, this is on D1. And how I used to approach my charts is I'll know the highest high, like the high, and then pick out the low in the recent market. No, this is just February 24, 2021. This is just a year ago. So this is my high, and then this is my low. Okay, let me for reference purpose, let me put the low there. So this is the low. Now, as you can see, this is the low, and then this is the high. So how do we know where market is going to edge for? Is it the high or the low? Now, obviously, as you can see, the market went as high as this place and comes down, pick out series of lows, and then left this old low down. This is a very far place to go, and it's obvious it is actually because of a news or something that happened. It's not like it was influenced by market maker. So this is chart. In the look of it, you have a view that yes, this thing should go up. Something like there's this kind of feeling that is making me feel like it should go up. Not like I just get, not like I'm guessing actually, but then if you then look deeper into this place, you know that yes, this thing should go up. Now, so what is in this place? This market has a low here. This low was used to clear this low here, and then came to liquidate this let me say spring or that block, whatever you want to call it, then start going up. So it has actually shown that to us that this market is going to head for this high because it is the closest place to take out liquidity. That is why I name this place buy stop liquidity, and up here should be buy stop liquidity too. So what do we have now? Let me zoom my chart very well so that we can have a good look of it. Now we have the buy stop liquidity, and then on its way up, it got to a point that it got rejected. It came down, went up again, took out this high, came down again, went up again. For the third time, is having difficulty breaking into this zone, this buy stop liquidity zone. The distance between this first high that was made and the high that we want to go to. So that's buy liquidity zone. Buy stop liquidity, like that is there are a lot of buy stops here. People's TP, people's entry that wants to buy and stuff like that. So now it came down, went up again. Then the last movement that it made downward, you see this big candlestick, this it came down swiftly and took out this equal low here. Okay, let me just say why coming down, going up, coming down, going up. It created an equal low. You can see, sorry. So you can see it here, equal low that was taken out. You see, this equal low was taken out by this move. Let me point to this one. By this move, the spring that took out the equal low. Then after taking out the equal low, what is the next obvious place to take out? The equal highs here. There are about 1, 2, 3, then 4 now. But let's say the market was here when we were looking at the chart. They were about 3. So then everyone will be like, yes, this thing has to go up. Now, it went up. And then when it got here, there is a kind of a strong resistance again. And then it sent the market down again. Then to where is this sending it go? To this, the where market setup can occur. So if you look at this chart here, this word I said the move that took out the equal low and drove the market away from it should produce a move that would take out the equal high too. So this move that took out this place, this equal low, is the move that will produce another move that will take out this place, this buy stop and equal high. So, but since it couldn't take out the, but since it couldn't take out the equal high on the first attempt, no, this is the first attempt, it couldn't take it out. We will wait patiently for another market setup in form of block orders, fair value gap or the giveaway. That is, so what can we now do since it didn't take it out in the first instance? Yes, we know it is still going to take it out, but then where is it going to get rejected and start going on? Like what I mean is actually like this. Let me use what's okay at this point. Like this kind of stuff comes down again like this and then go up. All this multiplication stuff of a thing. So now where does it where is it going to stop going down and then start going up? Of course, it's if you break this low, it means it is the intent is to come down again. You get. So now, since we know breaking down low is not very advisable for the market. Where is this stuff? So, this marker. So breaking that low is not is not very advisable for the market or for the market and for whoever that is controlling the market. Now, so we all know that in this zone here, how do I know that in this zone something is going to happen here? Because if you check this high here of this candlestick and this low of this candlestick, there is a liquidity favor, there is a fair value gap here that that could not be fed by this move here. You get, like, what I'm trying to say is this high of this candle and this low of this candle of this sort of candle, there is a fair value gap here, something like this. Yeah. So there is a void, there is an imbalance there. So that is obviously where the market maker are going to bring the market down to before going up. So let us refine this zone down and see if there is a kind of other block on lower time frame. So that's what I want us to check now. Let me go to H4. Wow. So as you can see now, in that zone that we drew out, there is another block here that just feed it. You see this black candle here is another block because it was the last black candle that was created before this high was taken out. You get, so that is obviously where the market should come down to before going up. So we can also say our other block, if we draw it out now, let me take this away. So these are other block zone. So we expect the market to come down here. You see, its first attempt was down there. It didn't even touch the eye or low of the candle, the eye of the black candle. So we expect it to come again down into this place. We don't know when. Then after coming to down this way, when go then to go up again, then clear out this high. So that is my view about AUDCHF, and I hope you guys enjoy the analysis. So have a great day, guys.